children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is Division and the Unitary Method. Division is a repeated subtraction, means subtraction of number. In other words, division means equally distribution or equal sharing of things. If for example 45 people, division means equally distribution or equal sharing of things. If 45 sweets are equally shared among 5 children, okay, shared among 5 children, each child gets 9 sweets. So it is a equally distribution or equally sharing of things. The number 45 divided by 5, it is sharing among 5 people and each child get 9. The number 45 to be divided is called the dividend. This is a dividend and this is a divisor. Answer is called quotient. In other words, repeated subtraction is a method of subtracting the equal number of items from a large group. It is also known as division if the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another large number until the remainder is 0 or a number smaller than the number being subtracted. We can write that in the form of division. Now recall exercise. A. Divide. You can divide quickly if you remember your tables. You should know tables from 1 to 15. For a slow learner, at least 1 to 10 you should know properly, children. So you should know tables 1 to 20. 15 divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 means 3. How much are 15? This is a dividend and denominator is a divisor. 3. So divisor table we have to check. So 3 how much are 15? 3 5 is a 15. 3 5 is a 15. Quotient is 5. Answer is 5. The next second one, 56 divided by 8. Next second one, 56 divided by 8. So divisor is 8. 8 tables we have to check. Divisor table. 8 how much are 56? 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. So answer is 7. Okay. Then next one, third one, 54 divided by 6. So we have to check divisor. 6 ones are tables. 6 how much are 54? 6 ones are 6. Both the numbers should be multiplied with the same tables. Division means both the numbers should be multiplied with same table. This is one table and this is another table. That is wrong method. Okay, both the numbers should be on a same table. So divisor we have to check means denominator. Divisor or denominator. 6 ones are 6. 6 how much are 54? 6 nines are 54. So 1 nines are 9. Then 16 divided by 4. 4 how much? 4 this denominator 4 we have to check. 4 ones are tables. Should know tables properly, children. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So 4 into 1 is quotient is 4. Next fifth one, 90 divided by 9. So 9 ones are tables. We have to check. 9 ones are 9. 9 tens are 90. Answer is 10. Next sixth one, 72 divided by 9. So 9 ones are tables. We have to check. 9 ones are 9. 9 how much are 72? 9 eights are 70. So 8 into 1 is 8 only. Now 12 and 4. 12 ones are tables. We have to check. No. Means denominator or divisor tables. Means second law. 4 how much are 12? We have to check. 4 ones are 4. 4 how much are 12? 4 threes are 12. 3 into 1 is 3 only. And 10 ones are tables. We have to check. 10 ones are 10. 10 6 are 60. 6 into 1 is 6 only. Now 63 table? No. 7 ones are tables. 7 ones are 7. 7 how much are 63? 7 nines are 63. So 9 ones are 9. Now 10th one, 36 divided by 6. So 6 ones are tables. We have to check. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 1 is 6 only. Multiplying here. Okay. 9 and 18. 9 ones are tables. We have to check. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. So 2 into 1 is 2 only. Now next 24 divided by 8. Which tables we have to check? 8 ones are tables. 8 how much are 24? 8 how much are 24? 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. So 3 ones are 3. Now next 35 divided by 5. So 5 ones are we have to check. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now 14th one. 9 ones are, we have to check. 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. So answer is 9 into 1 is 9 1. 7 ones are, we have to check. 7 ones are 7, 7 how much are 24, 7 fours are 28. So 4 into 1 is 1. Now 15 divided by 5, so 5 ones are, we have to check. 5 ones are 5, 5 how much are 15, 5 threes are, means this table. 3 into 1 is 3. 24 divided by 3, so we have to check 3 ones are table, both the numbers should be divided with 3 ones are. So 3 ones are 3, 3 how much are 24, 3 eights are 24. 8 into 1 is 8, here 7 into 1 is 7 children. 42 divided by 7, 7 ones are tables, we have to check. 7 ones are 7, 7 how much are 42, 6 7 6 are 42. So here 6 into 1 is 6. The next 19th one, 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are, we have to say the tables. 2 ones are 2. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. 5 into 1 is 5. Now here 4. 4 ones are tables, we have to check. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. So 5 into 1 is 5. Now B mean, fill in the blanks to complete the sums. 4 is divisor, dividend 97. We have to complete the numbers. Okay. 97 is given. So we have to 4. It is dividing with 4 ones are tables. So here divisor 4 means 4 ones are tables. We have to change. 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 means after subtracting 1. Then bring this 7 down. 1 number only we have to bring down. 17. 4 how much are nearer to 17? 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16 means remainder is 1. So quotient is 24. Remainder is 1. Next 6 we have to divide. 324 divided by 6. 6 is a divisor. This number tables we have to check. Okay. 3 how much are nearer to 32? 3 5s are 30. 3 5s are 30. That is nearer to 32. So 32 minus 30 is 2 remainder. And bring this 4 down. So 24. 6 how much are 24? 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24 remainder is 0. So quotient is 54 and remainder is 0. Then 500 divided by 7. So 7 ones are tables, we have to check. 7 how much are nearer to 50? 5 is less than 7, so we have to take 2 digit. Okay, 7 how much are nearer to 50? 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 56 is greater than this one. We want nearer, exact number also okay, or nearer to this number. So 7 7s are 49, 49 is the nearer, 7 8s are 56 is greater than this. You should not take greater one. You have to take equivalent or nearer. So equivalent we are not getting in 7 ones are table. So we get 7 7s are 49, that is a nearer one. 50 minus 49 means after subtracting remainder is 1, together is 10. This 0 is bring down. 10. 7 how much are nearer to 10? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 14 is greater than this, so we can't take. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. So here quotient is 71. Quotient means answer and remainder is 3. Next is DC mean divide. 45 divided by 3. Next question is 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3 means 45. Sorry. So divisor we have to write here and we have to check divisor tables. So this tables and 45. Now we have to check the 3 ones are table. Nearer to 4 we can take is one digit we can consider because 4 is greater than this number. If less than this number means we have to take 2 numbers. So 4 is greater than this number. So a single number also we can consider. So 3 how much are nearer to 4? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6 is greater than this. So we want exact this number or nearer one. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now 4 minus 3. How much? 4 minus 3 is 1. I'll bring this 5 down. 15. Now 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. We get exact number. If we are getting exact number, we can write it. Otherwise, we have to take the nearer one. So but we can't take greater than this number. So 3 5s are 15 we are getting. So remainder is 0. Then quotient is 15 and remainder is 0. Next question, second one, 85 divided by 5. So here 5 is a divisor, 85 is a dividend. So dividend, divisor, now we have to find. So first check whether one number, single number, 8 we can consider, yes, because 8 is greater than this number, divisor. So we can multiply with or divide with 5 ones. 5 how much are nearer to 8? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is greater than this. We want exact or nearer one. So 5 ones are 5. Now this we have to subtract here. If 8 minus 5 is 3, bring this one number we can bring down. Okay, now 35. 5 how much are nearer to 35? 5 sevens are 35, that is exact one. So we can consider exact one number. 5 sevens are 35. We want exact number or nearer but not greater than given number. So 35 minus 35 is 0. Answer quotient is 17. And the remainder is 0. This is the answer, children. Next number is 61 divided by 4 means 4 is a divider, 61 is a dividend. Dividend and divisor. Okay, whether we can consider 6, you can take 6x because 6 is greater than this number, divisor. So we have to take 4 how much are 6? We can't give exact number, so we have to check nearer one. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is greater than this, so nearer is 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So here minus it. 6 minus 4 is 2. Subtraction. Then bring this one down. 21. 4 how much are nearer to 21? 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 24 is greater than this. So which is a nearer one? 4 5s are 20. So here we have to subtract. Remainder is 1. This is a remainder. Quotient is 15 and remainder is 1. Next number is fourth one, 99 divided by 8. So 8 we have to write here, 99 here. Whether we can consider one single number 9? Yes, because 9 is greater than this number, so we can take 9. 8 how much? Exact 9. 8 we can't get exact 9, so we get nearer one. 8 how much? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 is a greater one, so nearer is 8 ones are 8 minus 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring this 9 down. Now 8 how much are nearer to 19? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. And so 8 twos are 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. Okay. Now quotient is 12 and remainder is 3. This is the answer, children. Now 85 divided by 7. So 8 we can consider because greater than this number. Nearer is 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring this 5 down. 7 how much are nearer to 15? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So nearer is 7 twos are 14. Minus means 15 minus 14 is 1. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. Now whether we can consider true? No, because 2 is less than 7, so we should take two numbers, true digit, 29. 7 how much are nearer to 29? 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35 is greater than this number, 7 4s are 28 is nearer one. Now 29 minus 28 is 1 and bring this 5 down, 15. 7 how much are nearer to 15? 7 2s are 14. Minus means 15 minus 14 is 1. 1. So remainder is 1. Quotient is 42. Remainder is 1. Now next is 7th one, 234 divided by 9. So 9 is a divisor, 234. Whether we can consider 2? No, because 2 is a less than this 9 number, so we have to take 2 digit number, 2 number 23. Now nearer to 23. 9 how was nearer to 23? 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. 20, 9 2 is 18 is a nearer 1. Minus means 23 minus 18 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now bring this 4 down, 54. 9 how much are 54? 9 6 are 54. We are getting an exact number. We can take exact number or nearer one, but not more than or greater than given number. Now quotient is 26 and remainder is 0. Quotient is 26, remainder is 0. Next question, 8th one, 714 divided by 6. So whether we can take 7 single number? Yes, because 7 is greater than this number. So we can consider single number 7. 6 how much are nearer to 7? 6 ones are 6. That is a nearer one. 6 twos are 12 is greater than this. We want exact number or nearer, but not greater than this number. 7 minus 6 is, after subtraction, answer is 1. Then bring only one number. We can bring 2 digit also, 2 number. For safer side, bring only one number down. Okay. Now, one number means 1. After subtraction, bring only one number. Don't bring 2 numbers. We can bring 2 numbers and divide it, but safer side, bring only one number. Now together is 11. 6 how much are nearer to 11? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is greater than this, so 6 ones are 6. Minus means 11 minus 6 is 5. 5. Now bring this 4 down. Okay. 4. 6 how much are 54? 6 nines are 54. After subtraction, remainder is 0. Now quotient is 119 and remainder is 0. Now 9th one, 652 divided by 4. So whether we can consider 6? Yes, because 6 is greater than this. 4 how much are nearer to 6? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, so 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring 4 how much are 2, so we can't bring, and one number we can bring down. Okay, 5. 25. 4 how much are nearer to 25? 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1, and bring this number down, 12. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. After subtraction, remainder is 0. Quotient is 163. Remainder is 0. Next question is 405 divided by 6. 6 we have to divide. Whether we can consider 4? No, because 4 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 digit number, 40. Now 6 how much are nearer to 40? 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 48. So 6 5 6 are 36. 46 7s are 42. 6 minus means 40 minus 36 is 4, and bring this 5 down, so 45. 7s are 42, nearer is 36. Bring this 5 down. 6 how much are nearer to 45? 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are is greater than this, so 6 7s are 42 is a nearer one. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 is a remainder. Quotient is 67. Remainder is 3. Now 11th one, 3 not divided by 5. 3, so 5 is a divisor. Whether we can consider first only 3? No, because 3 is less than this 5. So we have to take together 30. 5 how much are nearer to 30? 5 6 are 30 exact, when we get 30 minus 30 is 0. Bring this 2 down. 5 how much are 2 in tables? 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 twos are 10. So 5 how much are nearer to 2? That is 5 zeros are 0. So nearer is 5 is greater than this. So nearer is 5 zeros are 0. So we have to consider 5 zeros are 0. then minus 2 minus 0 is 2 only. So remainder is 2 and quotient is 60, remainder is 2. Next number 12 one 485 divided by 8. Whether we can consider 4? No, because 4 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 number 48. For 8, how much is nearer to 48? 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48. That is a nearer one. Minus means 48 minus 48 is 0. Then bring this 5 down. 8 how much are nearer to 5, very less number. So we have to check 8 ones are 8. So which is a nearer one? 8 zeros are 0. So 8 ones are 8 is greater than this number. So which is nearer one? We have to consider 8 zeros are 0. So 8 zeros are 0. Now subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. So remainder is 5 and quotient is 60. Remainder is 5. Next question, 13th one, 791 divided by 9. So whether we can take 7 single number? No, because 7 is less than 9. So we have to consider 2-digit number, that is 79. 9 how much are nearer to 79? 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81. 81 is greater than this. So 9 8s are 72, that is a nearer one. Minus means 79 minus 2 means 72 means 7. Bring this one down, 71. 9 how much are nearer to 71? So 9 8s are 72. 72 is greater than this. So 9 7s are 63. 71 minus 63 means 8. 8 is a remainder. Quotient is 87. Remainder is 8. Next question, 14th one, 296 divided by 7. So 7 we have to check. Whether we can consider 2, whether divide with 7 with 2? No, because 2 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 numbers, 2-digit number, 29. 7 how much are nearer to 29? 7 5s are 35. 35 is greater than this. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Minus here, 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring this 6 down. 7 2s are 14 nearer. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So which is nearer? 7 2s are 14. Minus means 16 minus 4 is 2. So this is a remainder. Quotient is 42 and remainder is 2. Next question, 15th one, 546 divided by 10. So whether we can consider 5? No, because 5 is less than this number. So you have to take 2-digit, 2 numbers. 54. 10 how much are 54? Nearer. 10 6 are 60. 60 is greater than this. So 10 5 is a 50. That is a nearer one. Now minus it here. 4 minus 0 is 4 and bring the 6 down. After subtraction, 54 minus 50 is 4. Now 10 how much are nearer to 46? 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50. 50 is greater than this. So we have to take 10 4s are 40. 46 minus 40 is 6. So this is a remainder. Quotient is 54. Remainder is 6. Quotient is 54. Remainder is 6. Now properties of division. Look at the example. Give an example of your own. 2 division fact can be derived from 1 multiplication fact. So 7 into 6. This is a multiplication. And 2 division fact can be derived from the 1 multiplication fact. So 7 into 6 is 42. That we know. Now 42 divided by 6. Okay, these two numbers. 42 divided by 6 is third number, 7. Okay, or 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7 is center 1 6. So 3 numbers are interchanging here. 7 into 6 multiplication is a division fact can be derived from 1 multiplication. 7 into 6 is 42. We can intersect. 42 divided by 6 means answer is 7. Or 42 divided by 7 means answer is middle 6. Both the side the numbers are same, just changes in the places and the symbol. If number is divided by 1, the answer is number itself. For example, 6 into any number if multiply by 1, the answer is number itself. Okay. So it is interrelated to the multiplication also. If number is multiplied with the 1, any number multiply with the 1, then answer is number itself. If any number multiply with 1, then answer is number itself. If any number divided with 1 also, the number itself. One more example is 8 into 1. So 8 into 1 is 8, or 8 divided by 1 is 8 only. Here 2 into 3, 6, or 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2, or 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If you interchange the number and symbol here, same, the 2 into 3, 6, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, or 6 divided by 2 also 3. Here if any number multiply with 1 means the number itself, or any number divided with 1 means the number itself. Here also it is connected with the multiplication. Third property, if a number is divided by itself, the answer is 1. If a number is divided by itself, the answer is 1, except when the number is 0. Okay. When 0 means the answer is 0 itself. If for example 10 into 1 multiplied, answer is 10. If 10 into any number multiplied with 1 is 10 itself. If any number divided with same number, any number that divided by itself, means any number divided with the same number or itself, answer is 1. 5 into 0 is 0 only, but 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. If 5 divided by 5 means, 5 divided by 5 means answer is 1. So if any number divided by itself means answer is 1. If any number multiply with 1 means the number itself. 5 into 1 is 5 number itself. But any number multiply with 0 means 0. Biganda. For any number divided with 0 divided by 5 means 0 only. Now exercise 4.1, solve using property of division. Now 896 divided by 1. If any number divided with 1 means the number itself. 896 divided by 1 means any number divided by 1 means the number itself. 896 only. B1, 4320 divided by 4320. Any number divided by itself means answer is 1. 4301 4321 answer is 1. Cancelling with the same number. 0 divided by 8990. If any number divided with the dividend is 0 means answer is 0. 496 divided by 496. 496 ones are 496 ones are answer is 1. 496 divided by 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 496 are. Means if any number divided by 1 means the number itself. If any number divided by itself means answer is 1. 496 divided by 0 is 0. If here we can write 0, or we can consider as undefined. We can write undefined. We cannot find the answer because 0 or undefined. Is 24 divided by 4 equal 4 divided by 24? No, because here 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Here 0 point it will come. Okay, 0 point. So no. Is 7 into 38 is 266. 266 divided by, so these two numbers, 260 divided by 7. 260 divided by 7, so center number 38. And 266 divided by 38 means if this number, 266 divided by 38 means center 1, 7. Means interrelated. 7 into 38 is 266, and these three numbers are interrelated. 266 divided by 7 means the center 1. Then 266 divided by 7, center 1, 38. And if 260 divided by 38, 266 divided by 38 means the missing number we have to write 7. So here 266 divided by 7 it's given, which is missing. 38 is missing, that we have to write here. So here next write two division facts. So 4 into 19 equals 76 given. Two division fact 1 we can consider 76 divided by 4. So 76 divided by 4 equal how much? 76 divided by 4 means the missing number 19. That is one fact. Then take this. This is over. Now these two. Okay, 76 divided by 19. Now next fact is 76 divided by 19, which are missing. 76 divided by 19 means which is missing here 4. Equal 4. Next number, write two division fact for 76 into 226 equal 17,176. Boat. Draw a boat. So we can write greater number should be first here. Okay. 17,176 divided by 76. 17,000. One fact is 17,176 divided by 76 equal how much? 17,176 divided by 76 equal missing, which is 226. One boat is over. Now create one more boat here. Okay. So here always greater number first. 17,176 divided by 226. Greater number is 17,176 divided by 226 equal, which is missing 76. Understood, children? So 4 into multiplication of number is given. Draw a boat. Greater number first, 76 divided by 4, and missing is 19 without mark. Now again draw a boat for this. Greater number should be first, 76 and 19. 76 is the greater number. 76 divided by 19, both opposite side. Missing is equal 4. Okay. Then 76 into 226 equals 17,176. This is a multiplication in product. Answer is given. Draw a boat. Greater number first, that is 17,176 divided by next boat side 76 equal missing 226. Now draw a boat for here. Greater number should be first, 17,776 divided by 226 divided by 226 equal missing one, which is 76. Now next is division of 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Exercise 4.2. Complete the following division sums. So here 7, 2, dash, dash. Dividend divisor is 7. So here 21 is given. 7, how much 21? 7 3 is 21. After subtracting dash, 2 dash minus 21 means answer is 2, means add these two. 21 plus 2 is 23. So that is here. Add these two number. 21 plus 2, that is 23 here. Okay. That is all. Now bring this number down, that is 4, 24. Now 7 3s are 21, that is given. Now subtract 74 minus 21, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, now 37. 37 means 7 we took from up, 7. Now 7, how much are near to 37? 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. 42 is greater than this, so 7 5 is 35. 37 minus 35 is 2 is a remainder. Next sum, here 4 is a divisor, here dividend dash dash. So 16 is given. So 4, how much is 16? 4 4s are 16. After we should add here. Subtracting these two number and here remainder is 0 means we have to 16 plus 0 is 16. Okay, here also we added 21 plus 2 is 23. Okay. Now this number we took from here, so same number you have to write there, 0 0. Now 4 how much are 0? 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Now 2 is given. So 4, how much are 2? 4 How much? 4 2s are how much? 4 into 2 is 8. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 means 8 we have to write here, and here it will be 9 then. Next 4 2s are 8. That is after multiplying here 8 again. So 8 plus 1 is 9 here. That we took from up. Okay. 4 4s are 16. So 0 remainder means same number only here. 4 4s are 16. So remainder 0. So here also 0 means we took from hub. And 4 how much are zeros? 2 zeros are 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then we have to check here 2 is given. So 4 2s are 8. That we have to write in the next line. 4 2s are 8. So here subtracted value we have to add it. 8 plus 1 is 9. That 9 we have to write up. Now for third one, this type of question I will not ask in test children, exam or test. Okay, now 6 divisor 5, division is 56359, 6359. So 5 is written here, it means 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. This 3 is down. Now 13. 5 2s are, it is given, 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 13 minus 10 is how much? 3. This 5 we took from up. 35. 5 how much are 35? 5 7s are 35. We get exact number. We can write exact number, but not greater than this number. 35 minus 35 is 0. 0 means we in each step we can take one number down. Okay, you can consider carry one number down. 9 now. 5 how much are 9? Nearer. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 10 is greater than this number, so we can consider 5 zeros are 0. Remainder is 9 minus 0 is 9,270. Sorry children, here not 9, 0, because 5 ones are 5 is there. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we can consider 5 ones are 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is a remainder. Now next exercise B, next mine exercise 4.2 B main divide 4032 divided by 3. So here 1 2 3 4 digit number divided with a single digit 1 digit. Now here exercise 4.2 B1 divide 4032 divided by 3. Now 4032 divided by 2, we have to divide that number. Whether we can consider 4? Yes, because 4 is less than this number, which is nearer 3 ones are 3. 3 3 2s are 6 is greater, so 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. This number, one number should be carried down. But it is safer side, carry only one numbers down, means bring only one number down. Each step one number. Okay, we can carry 2 or 3 numbers. So safer side, if any 0 is considered, means better carry only one number. Don't carry two numbers. Okay, 10. 3 how much are nearer to 10? 3 3s are 9. That is nearer to 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring one number, that is 3. 13, which is nearer. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. That is a nearer one. Minus 13 minus 2 is 1. Now bring this 2 down. 12, which is nearer to 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, remainder is 0. Now quotient is 1344, remainder is 0. Now second question, 3945 divided by 5. So we have to divide with 5. Whether we can consider 3? No, because 3 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 digit, means 39. If 39 also less than this number, we have to take 3 digit. Okay. So 39 is greater than this number. 5 how much are nearer to 39? 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. 40 is greater than this. So 5 7s are 35. 39 minus 35 is 4. Bring this 4 down. One number. Okay. 5 how much are 44? Nearer 5. 8s are 40 is a nearer one. 44 minus 40 is 4 remainder. After subtraction 4 is a value. Then bring this 5 down. 45. 5 how much are 45? 5 9s are 45. 5. 45 minus 45 is 0. So answer is quotient is 789 and the remainder is 0. Next question, third one, 6,932 divided by 8. So whether we can consider 6? No, because 6 is less than 8. So we have to take 2 digits. 8 how much are nearer to 69. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72 is greater than this. So 8 8s are 64. Minus means 9 minus 4 is 5. And bring one number down, 53. Nearer to 53. 8 how much are 8 6 are 8 6 are 42. 48, sorry, 8 6 are 48 minus 13. Now 3 minus 8 we can't subtract. 13 minus 8 means 5. 53 means 48 is 5. Subtraction after subtraction. Then bring this to down, 52. 8 how much are again 8 7s are 56. 56 is greater than this. So 8 6 are 40. 8 is a nearer one. Minus means after subtracting 52 minus 48 is 4. Remainder. So answer quotient is 866. Remainder is 4. Next number is 9, 5,431. So whether we can consider 9? No, because less than this. So take 54. 9 how much are 54. 9 6 are exact number we are getting now here. 9 6 are 54. Minus means 54 minus 54 means 0. Then bring this 3. One number. Okay, don't bring two numbers. Each step one number we have to bring down, 3. Now 9 how much are 3? 9 zeros are 0. 9 ones are 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 is greater than this number. So which is nearer? 9 zeros are 0. So 9 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 only. Now bring one number down. In each step one number. Okay. Now 9 how much are 31. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s also 9 3s is a nearer one. 9 3s are 27 is a nearer one. 31 minus 27 means 4 is a remainder. So remainder is 4 after subtracting. Quotient is 603 and remainder is 4. Next question, fifth one, 7802 divided by 6. So 6, whether we can consider single number 7? Yes, because 7 is greater than this. So single number. 6 nearer is 6 ones are 6. Minus means 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring 8 down. 6 how much are 18. 6 how much are 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18 0. Bring 1 0 down. 0 6 how much are 0? 6 zeros are 0. 0 have a value because it is in the question. Okay, 0 have a value. 6 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Now bring this 2 down. Okay, 6 how much are 2? In 6 ones are table, 6 ones are 6. Okay, 6 zeros are 0. Okay, 6 ones are 6 is greater than this number. So nearer is 6 zeros are 0. So 6 zeros are 0. Now subtract. Minus 2 by 0 is 2. 2 is a remainder. 2 is a remainder and quotient is 1300. Remainder is 2. Now sixth question. 5,932 divided by 7. So whether we can consider 5? No, because 5 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 digits. That is 59. 7 how much are nearer to 59. 7 8s are 56. Minus means 59 minus 56 is 3. And bring this 3 down. Now 33. 7 how much are nearer to 33. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 35 is greater than this. So 7 4s are 28, that is a nearer one. Now 33 minus 28 is remainder is 5 after subtraction and bring one number down, 52. Now nearer to 52. 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 7 5 is 7 6 are 49, 7 8 are 56, greater than this. So 7s are 49. After subtracting, remainder is 3. Now quotient is 847 and remainder is 3. Next question, 7th one, 4817 divided by 8. 8 how much we have to check. Whether we can consider 4? No, because 4 is less than 8. So we have to take 2-digit number, that is 48. 7, 8 how much? 8 6 are 48. Exact number we got here now. 48 minus 48 is 0. Bring 1 down. Only one step, each step only one number we have to carry down. So here 1 is carried down. 8 how much? Nearer to 1. So 8 ones are 8. So then 8 zeros are 0. This is a nearer one. 8 is a greater than this. We want a nearer one, not greater one, or exact or equal to. So 8 zeros are 0. Minus means 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring now one number down, 17. 8 how much? Nearer to 17. 8 2s are 16. That is a nearer one. 17 minus 16 is 1 is a remainder. Now quotient is 602. And remainder is 1. Now 3254 divided by 9. Whether we can consider 3? No, because less than this number. So we have to take 2-digit number, that is 32. 9 how much are nearer to 32? 9 3s are 36. 9 3s are 27. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 36 is greater than this. So 9 3s are 27 is nearer to 32. 32 minus 27 is 5. Bring one number down, that is 55. 9 how much are nearer to 55? 9 6 are 54. 55 minus 54 means 1 is a subtract value. And bring 4 down. 9 how much are nearer to 14? 9 2s are 18. 18 is greater than this. So 9 1s are 9. 14 minus 9 is 5 is a remainder. Quotient is 361 and remainder is 5. Ninth one, 3052 divided by 5. So find 3052. Whether we can consider 3? No, because less than this number. So 2-digit. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. We are getting exact number. 30 minus 30 is 0. Bring one number down, that is 5. Only one number. In each step, one number you have to bring down. So don't bring together. We can bring together and try the sum. For saver side, bring only one number down. 5 how much are 5? 5 1s are 5. Minus 5 minus 5 is 0. Now bring one number down, that is 2. 5 how much are 2? In 5 ones are tables, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5 is greater than, smaller than this. So we want 5 nearer one, so it is 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0, minus means 2 minus 0 is 2. Remainder is 2 and quotient is 610. Remainder is 2. Now next question, 4890 divided by 6. Whether we can consider one number 4? No, because 4 is less than 6. So we have to take two number, that is 48. Okay, 6. 6 how much 48? 6 is exact number we are getting. 6 8s are 48. Minus means 48 minus 48 is 0. Now bring one number down, that is 9. 6 how much are nearer to 9? 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12 is greater than this. So 6 1s are 6. 9 minus 6 is 5. Sorry, 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Bring one number down, that is 0. 30. 6 how much are 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 815. Remainder is 0. Next is 532 divided by 7. Whether we can consider one number? No. So 1 is less than that number 7. So we have to consider 58. 7 how was nearer to 58? 7 8s are 56. That is a nearer one. 58 minus 56 means 2 is a remainder. 3 is carried down. 7 how was nearer to 23? 7 3 is a 21. That is a nearer one. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Again bring one number down, that is 22. 7 how was nearer to 22? Same again. 7 3 is a 21. Minus means 0. So here quotient is 800 and remainder is here 1. Quotient is 833, remainder is 1. Next number 6780 divided by 8. So we have to consider 6, we can't because 2 digit we have to consider. 8 was nearer to 67, 8 8s are 64. Minus means 3 after subtraction. Bring this 8 down. 8 was nearer to 38. 8 4s are 32. Minus means 6 here after subtracting. Bring this 0 down. 16. 8 was nearer to 60. That is 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Subtraction value 4 is a remainder. Quotient is 847, remainder is 4. 2893 divided by 4. 2893 divided by 4. So whether we can consider no. So 28. 28 means 4 7s are 28. That is an exact one. 28 minus 28 0. Then bring one number down. That is 9. 4 how was nearer to 9? 4 2s are 8. Minus means 1. Carry. Bring 3 down. 4 how was nearer to 13? 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 723. Remainder is 1. Means 4936 divided by 3. So whether we can consider 4? Yes, because greater than 3. So 3 1s are 3. Minus means 4 minus 3 is 1. 9. 3 how was nearer to 19? 3 6 18. That is a nearer one. And then 19 minus 18 is 1. Bring 3 down. 3 how was nearer to 13? 3 4s are 12. Minus means 1. Bring 6 down. 3 how was nearer to 16? 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 1645. Remainder is 1. Next question 15. 9326 divided by 4. So whether we can consider 9? Yes, because 9 is greater than this number. So for nearer is 4 2s are 8 is a nearer one. Minus means 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring 3 now. 13. 4 how much nearer to 13? 4 3s are 12. That is a nearer one. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring next number, that is 2. 12 now. Again nearer is 4 3s are 12 is a nearer one. Minus 12 minus 12 is 0. And bring the 6 down. From 6 for nearer. 4 2s are 8. 8 is greater than. So 4 1s are 4. 2 is a remainder. Quotient is 2331. Remainder is 2. Sixteenth one, 5601 divided by 6. Whether we can consider 5? No, because 5 is less than this number. So we have to take 56. 56 summers are 6 summers are 6 9s are 54. There is a nearer one. Minus 56 minus 54 means 2 remainder. Bring this 0 down. 6 summers are nearer to 20. That is 6 3s are 18. That is a nearer to 20. 20 minus 18 is 2 remainder. Bring this 1 down. There is now 21. 6 summers are nearer to 21. Then 6 4s is greater than 36. 6 4s is greater than this. So the nearer is 6 3s are 18. 21 minus 18 is 3. Remainder is 3. And quotient is 933. 933. Remainder is 3. Next question is 4824 divided by 8. Which tables it will divide now? We have to check. Whether 4 will divide with 8? No. So we have to take 2 digits, that is 48. No, 8 how much are nearer to 48? 8 6 are 48 exact number we are getting, but we can't take more than greater than this number. Exact we can consider. 48 minus 48 is 0. Now next number bring down, that is 2. 8 how much are 1 in one step? Only one number. Okay, we have to carry down. 2. 8 how much are nearer to 2? It means 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 is a greater than this number. So we can't take greater, we have to take nearer. That is 8 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 means 2. I'm bringing next number, that is 4. 8 how much are 24? 8 threes are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Now quotient is 603 and remainder is 0. Now 5716 divided by 6. Whether we can consider 5 single number? No, because 5 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 digits, that is 557. 6 numbers are nearer to 57. 6 nines are 54, that is a nearer one. 57 minus 54 is 3 is a remainder. Bring one number down, that is 31. 6 numbers are nearer to 31. 6 5s are 30, that is a nearer one. 31 minus 30 is 1. Bring next number down, that is 12. Now 6 numbers are 12, 6 2s are 12. Quotient is 952 and remainder is 0. Next question, 6039 divided by 7. 7 is a divisor. Whether we can take 6? No, because less than this number. So we have to take together 60. How much are nearer? 7, 8 is a 56, that is nearer to 60. Now 60 minus 56 is 4 remainder. Now next number bring down, that is 3, 43. 7 how much are nearer to 43? 7 6 are 42. That is a nearer one. 43 minus 42 is 1. 7 how much are nearer to? Then bring one number down, that is 9. 7 how much are nearer to 19? 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21 is greater one. 7 2s are 14. Minus means 5. Remainder is 5. Quotient is 862. Remainder is 5. Number and next one 21, 7901 divided by 9. Whether we can consider 7? No, because 7 is less than this. So we have to take together, that is 79. 9 how much are nearer to 79? 9 8 is greater than this. So 9 9 is greater than 81. 81 is greater than this. So 9 8 72 is nearer one. 79 minus 72 is 7. Subtraction. Bring this 0 down. Now 70. 9 how much are nearer to 70? That is 9 7s are 63. 70 minus 63 is 7. Bring one number down. That is 1. 9 how much are nearer to 71? That is 9 7s. 9 8s are 72 is greater than this. So 9 7s are 63. 3 minus means 8. 8 is the remainder. Quotient is 877. Remainder is 8.